Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to change your Shopify password. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, this will be a very quick and easy tutorial. So let's get started. So once you're signed in Shopify, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on your profile photo right here at the upper right corner of your screen and then click on manage account. Once you are in Manage Account page or your account profile page, click on the Security section at the left side of your screen. Click on this Change Your Password button. Now what you need to do is just go ahead and type your current password and type your new password and confirm your new password right here. So as you can see, your password must be at least 8 characters and can begin or end with space. Okay? So once you've typed your new password, just go ahead and click on the change password right here. Okay? And after you've clicked on the change password, that should change your password here on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.